If you find yourself needing to cry without anyone knowing, there are ways to hide it. Wait until you are alone, whether that be in your own room or finding a private space, like a bathroom stall. Excuse yourself from the situation if you can, using reasons like needing to use the restroom or take a phone call outside. When crying, try to do so quietly and breathe deeply to avoid making noise. Dab your tears gently and avoid rubbing your eyes. It is important to remember that it is okay to cry and not feel embarrassed about it. If you are able to find a safe place, allow yourself to cry and release the emotions. Afterward, try to calm yourself by taking deep breaths and thinking positive thoughts. If you cannot find a private place, focus on breathing quietly and try to pass it off as a cough or sneeze if any sound escapes. Once you have regained control, you can rejoin the group if you feel ready.